Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 17th question in exercise 4.4. Find the inverse of each of the following matrices. There are two matrices. Let's start with the first subdivision. The first step in calculating the inverse is finding the determinant of this particular matrix. So let's calculate. So this is going to be 1 into minus 3 minus 0. The rest of them is going to be 0 because I'm expanding along this particular row. So the value of this particular determinant is minus 3. Now let's compute the cofactors so that we will be able to generate the adjoints. So A11 is going to be equal to plus sign into minus 3. So this is equal to minus 3. Now A12 is going to be minus sign into, eliminate this row and this column. So it is minus 3 minus 0. So this is going to be minus of minus 3 plus 3. A13 is going to be plus into, eliminate this row, this column. So 6 minus 15. So this is going to be equal to minus 9. Now A21 is going to be, A21 is going to be equal to minus into, eliminate this row and this column. So it is 0 minus 0. Either way minus 0 is simply 0. Now A22 is plus symbol, plus eliminate this row and this column. So it is minus 1 minus 0. So the final answer will be minus 1. A23 is going to be minus sign of, eliminate this row and column. So it is 2 minus 0. So this is 2 minus 0, which is minus 2. Now A31 is going to be equal to, you are going to have a plus sign. Now this is elimination of this row and columns. So it is 0 minus 0. So A31 is 0. Now A32 is equal to minus sign of, eliminate this row and this column. So it is 1 into 0 is 0 minus 0. So this is also going to be equal to 0. Now A33 is going to be plus symbol, eliminate this row and this column. This is 3 minus 0. So the final answer is 3, which means A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A. So 1 divided by minus 3 into adjoint of A, which is the transpose of this value. So minus 3, 3 minus 9, 0 minus 1 minus 2, and in this case it is 0, 0, 3. So this is going to be the A inverse in the first case. You can also take the minus 3 inside and write in. So minus 3 divided by minus 3 is 1, 0, 0. This is going to be minus 1. This is 1 by 3 is 0. Minus 9 by minus 3 is 3. So this is going to be positive 2 by 3. As of the last case, it is minus 1. So this is the value of A inverse in the first case. Now let's look at the second matrix. Let the inverse of this matrix. Let's first start with the determinant. So this is minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 into 12 plus 1, then plus 2 into 9 minus 1. So this is minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. 13 minus 1 is so minus 13. And this is 8 into 2, so it is plus 16. So the final answer, the determinant of A is 10. Now let's compute the cofactors so that we can write the adjoint. A11 is going to be, eliminate this row and column. So you're going to get a plus into minus 4 and minus 3. So this is minus 7. Now A12 is minus of, eliminate this row and this column. So you're going to get 12 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So it is finally minus 13. A13 is going to be plus into, eliminate this row and this column. So it is 9 minus 1, which is going to be equal to plus 8. Now A21 is going to be minus of, eliminate this row and this column. So it is 4 minus 6. So minus 2 into minus sign. So it is plus 2. A22 is plus of, eliminate this row and this column. So you're going to get minus 4 plus 2. So this is minus 4 plus 2. Final answer will be minus 2. A23 is going to be negative of. Now eliminate this row and this column. So it is minus 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 2, then there is a negative sign. So this becomes plus 2. Now A31. So A31, we are going to eliminate this row and this column. So this is plus into 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 2, so this is 3. Now A32 is minus into, eliminate this row and this column, minus 1 minus 6. So minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. You already have a negative sign, so it is 7. A33 is going to be plus into, this will be 1 minus 3. So this is minus 2. Now you can write out A inverse is going to be 1 by determinant of A, so 1 by 10 of adjoint of this particular matrix, which is the transpose of the cofactors. So I'm directly writing this, so this is minus 7 minus 13, 8, this is 2 minus 2, 2, and in the last case it is 3, 7 and minus 2. So 1 by 10 into this particular determinant, so matrix is going to be the value of A inverse. You can leave the answer like that because 1 by 10, if you write everywhere, it will be a fraction. So in the next video, we will find the solution for the 18th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.